Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Master Sergeant Snyder here to tell us about the F-16 demo.
No. No. Sorry.
Where's your family?
Falling too fast, get prepared for this. Tripping in the road could be dangerous. Everybody.
States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Mike Holmes, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command. We'd like to thank you for having us in Quonset, Rhode Island for the 2018 Open House and Airship. I'm the Viper Demonstration Superintendent and Narrator, Master Sergeant Chris Schneider from Alexandria, Minnesota. Here with me at Show Center is our Safety Observer and Combat Ready Fighter Pilot, Lieutenant Brian Davis, call sign component from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. As a member of Air Combat Command's 20th Fighter Wing, located at Shaw Air Force Base in Sumter, South Carolina, it is my distinct pleasure to describe to you today a combat capability demonstration by the world's premier multi-role fighter, the F-16 Fighting Falcon, affectionately known as the Viper. The commander and pilot for the Viper demonstration team is Major John Waters, call sign range from Peachtree City, Georgia. Major Waters is a veteran fighter pilot with more than 2,600 hours in military aircraft and 180 combat missions supporting operations Enduring Freedom and Heroism. The Block 50 Viper you will see today's demonstration is equipped with the General Electric F-129 afterburning turbofan jet engine. Major Waters has 30,000 pounds of thrust at his fingertips, allowing him to achieve flight after only using 1,000 feet of the runway. That exceeds the horsepower of all the cars in the starting lineup of the Daytona 500. Ladies and gentlemen, stand up, put your hands together for Major Waters and the F-16 Fighting Falcon. Major Waters traces a perfect figure eight over the demonstration area. Capability of the F-16. As he passes show center, he'll be traveling just under the speed of sound at 700 miles per hour. That's less than half the Viper's top speed of Mach 2.
More kerosene. I'll take either.
Accelerate right beam snap the F-16 for a series of aircraft, demonstrating exceptional maneuverability. Dropping in from the left, bringing in the turbo. Major Waters shows you just how exceptional the F-16 is in a 9G turn. At show center, he'll bank sharply and accelerate through a tight turn, pressing him into the seat with a force of 9 times his normal weight, or 9 Gs. In a full turn, the Viper has a turn radius of less than 1,400 feet. 950 feet per second. Let's check in with Ray to see how fast he's going to be going.
5.3, 190. Good number, send it. All right, Rhode Island, here comes a little bit of speed. 300 knots. 400. 450. 60. 630.
Set up for a series of maneuvers to demonstrate the F-16's ability to turn tight, stay unpredictable. A trait which helps the Viper survive against low altitude threats. You'll then quickly transition from the horizontal to the vertical. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left, it's the Falcon turn. Position in preparation for his next maneuver. As he pulls back on the stick, he will plunge towards the earth at a 45-degree angle at 300 miles per hour as he forms the shark's tooth. Now slowing the F-16 to convert from a slow-speed, high-alpha pass. While the Viper can fly at more than twice the speed of sound, slow-speed control is just as important as those who fly. High-alpha refers to a high angle of attack at which the aircraft is flying. Right is holding the Viper at 23 degrees nose-up position and only moving 120 miles per hour. When he reaches show center, Major Waters will apply full afterburner and accelerate his aircraft into a nearly vertical climb. That same the F-16 is also first to hit the demonstrate the combination of thrust and digital flight control systems that make the knife edge maneuver possible. And from your right, the F-16 and the knife edge pass. Major Waters sets up for a maximum performance climb with a series of maneuvers. Waters has begun a sprawling descent in preparation for the dedication pass. Major Waters and the rest of the F-16 demonstration team from the 20th Fighter Wing would to dedicate this pass to the men and women from all branches of the armed forces and their families who are so bravely fighting today's joint fight. We would also like to remember our wounded warriors and veterans in attendance, and those who have given their lives defending this great nation. This will be the best photo opportunity.
Left its scenes while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my...
Now, from behind and to the right, the F-16 Viper demonstration team proudly presents the dedication pass.
He's gonna be close. We get out of your way. This is close.
I'll figure.
And in the naked light I saw.
Many times, just the presence of the Viper in the airspace is enough to strike fear in our opponent, as you've seen the maneuvers performed before you today. Ladies and gentlemen, Major Waters with a show of force. And now, one more time from the left ring, forming a 4-point roll, only hanging in the inverted position this time for everybody to wave high. 1, 2, everybody wait. 3 and 4.
Don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling.
We're 500 feet and forming a rolling pitch of the torso down the leg of the neck. In combat, what it cannot show you is the striking power and the accuracy and lethality of the weapons it carries. The Viper hit targets well outside of visual range while flying faster than speed of sound. Coupled with innovative, motivated, versatile, and adaptable airmen, your United States Air Force F-16 Fighting Falcon is applying new technologies and capabilities never before deployed while you fight. Since 1947, American airmen have been breaking barriers in airspace and cyberspace, resulting in a force effort